We do have the closing bell sounding on this Thursday, August 13th, and looks like NASDAQ's kind of finishing towards their best levels of the session here.
That's right. Here you see the S&P now gaining 2/3 of 1%, and we had been down 0.5% shortly after the open this morning. Up over 1,000 at 1,013 if you want to round it up there. Take a look at the Dow. It is up about 37, 38 points right now at 93.99, and you can see the NASDAQ gaining about 0.5% at 2,009. So stocks up across the board and really picking up in the last 10 minutes or so of the session. All right, let's get a breakdown of what drove the markets today. Joining us from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange is Suzanne O'Halloran. Still with us is our featured guest, Scott Wren, Senior Equity Strategist at Wells Fargo Advisors. Suzanne, let's start with you. What's going on?
Well, Matt, investors managed to shake off that disappointing retail sales news we got this morning. It's a little bit of a choppy session, but as you mentioned, definitely picking up momentum into the 3 o'clock hour right through the close. So the S&P, of course, moving higher today. Walmart was a big support factor today. Walmart profits came in better than expected. The company also said that their profits for the year are actually looking a little bit stronger. There were some cautious remarks from CEO Mike Duke, but nonetheless, Walmart shares rose today. We also had strength in the banking stocks. The KBW Bank Index looking at a gain of well over 2%. Couple of things happening here. We learned billionaire hedge fund manager Mr. Paulson did buy certain financial stocks in the second quarter, according to SEC filings, among them Bank of America. Paulson now controls $2 billion of the stock. He is definitely, I believe, the fourth largest shareholder in Bank of America, and he's not the only one buying. Sally Krawcheck, who took a job at Bank of America just last week as head of wealth management, through a filing. We also learned today that she bought some stock too, not as much, but she bought about $1 million worth of B of A shares, and she paid about close to $16 a share today. B of A, well, the numbers are settling, but closing very close to that $17 level. Matt, Carol.